What we're going to focus on in this session, the final 2 verses, is the practice of dedication. The practice of dedication in all of its senses, in our sort of specific Buddhist sense of all of the merit we've created through listening to teachings, through our prayers, through our meditations, through all of our virtuous activities. All of that we're going to give to all living beings, as we did in the Mahayana refuge ceremony. Another sense of the word dedication is our dedication. You know, the last 2 sessions, we've meditated on bodhicitta, you know, our wish to end the suffering of this world, the suffering of all living beings, our wish to be the difference that people need in their lives. You know, understanding that attaining enlightenment is how we can fulfill that profound, deep, compassionate wish. That's why we want to become a Buddha. And so that bodhicitta is why we're here, I think. I think that's why we're here. I think that's why we come. I think that's why we do what we do. That's why we're involved in our Sangha communities. We help at our centers. All of the things we do is coming from our bodhicitta. And so this is our dedication. And I do want at this point to come back to Venerable Geshe-la's teaching on skillful pushing. Skillful pushing. And one of the signs of the pushing being skillful is that there is a delight to it. If at any point with any kind of pushing there's a guilt or a sense of obligation or I kind of have to, then that's not skillful pushing. Like one of the points I tried to make is we have to find the object before in the break we can push ourselves to hold the object. You know, if we're not there, just trying to guilt ourselves into it isn't going to work. It's actually going to build up a resentment. It's going to do the opposite of what we want to do. But for example, if after these last 2 meditations that we've done, we feel very close to our Guru Buddha, and we know who he is and what he's doing, why he appeared in this world and what he's trying to achieve for the people of this world, for us, for everyone, then I think in our heart responds to that believing faith, admiring faith, with a wishing faith. I want to help. I want to help. What can I do? How can I help? Whatever I can do to help you do what you're doing, I want to do that. I want to do that. Both from the point of view of the efforts we can make to help our Dharma center and our community and help people meet the Dharma and all of those things, and in our practice. You know, because our ability to help, of course, grows and grows and grows as our Dharma realizations get deeper and deeper, stronger and stronger. And so if we feel that very strongly, then we're in a position to do some skillful pushing. Because then in the meditation break, we're thinking, I want to hold this intention. I don't want it to slide. I don't want to just, you know, as I'm making my way home, as I'm going back to the life that I'm more used to, as I sort of step out of this very protected mandala, and there are other influences and there's other opportunities and my device is back on, and all of that, it would be easy to sort of just slide. And again, please remember, like I tried to make really clear, it's not so much an external change that's required here. It's what is my aim? What am I trying to do? What am I trying to be? And if we can just a little bit skillfully push. So I'll read again Venerable Geshe-la's words again. So Venerable Geshe-la said, there are many determinations. We should not ignore making determinations. We need to make determinations every day. We need to push ourselves, otherwise it is not working. We may receive strong advice and encouragement, but if we ourselves are never pushing, we remain satisfied with deluded view, deluded intention, uncontrolled desires, then this is not enough. We need to push ourselves and then hope to change from an ignorant being to a spiritual being. Hope to change from anger to compassion, from attachment to renunciation, from ordinary view to correct view of emptiness. We need to do this through pushing. We need to do through pushing, otherwise, even though the book says very clearly, if we are never pushing, thinking, I understand all this clearly, this is just intellectual. We need to push ourselves, really using Dharma so that it mixes with our mind. Then, after meditation, we put it into practice. We practice through the entire meditation break. If we apply effort in this way, we can accomplish anything. There are many, many different determinations. Even if we are normally incapable, if we're pushing, I can improve myself, then gradually we can accomplish through the power of our intention, our own determination. Then finally we accomplish because of our pure intention. Maintaining pure intention, with prayer, we all receive blessings from Buddha. Through receiving blessings from Buddha and applying effort in meditation, we can accomplish our aim. So a lot of this skillful pushing is our conscientiousness, isn't it? And our consideration for others. Now maybe we notice our mind getting a little bit of an irritation arising. And then we think, no, I can't do that. I can't do that. Like Geshe would not want this person to feel like they're annoying. Geshe would want that person to feel loved, accepted. So I'm going to love and accept them. My job in this moment and in all moments is to try to the best of my ability to be Geshe for them. That's my job. No, they don't. Maybe they don't have a Guru Buddha in their life. So I need to embody my Guru Buddha for them in their life.